Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius Fire Sign. Of the messages for Sagittarius and what's going on. Wow, it's your reading and it's your card Sagittarius, Temperance under the deck, Two of Wands, the Tower, and Queen of Wands. It's you, Sagittarius. It's your reading and it's your card. Definitely you are focusing on yourself, you are taking your control back. Especially you are patiently waiting on something or someone and you want to restore the balance within yourself and you are patiently waiting. Definitely you are patiently waiting. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different states, countries or cities. For some, you both are in separation right now, but you are thinking about them a lot. Yeah. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the moon, the world, and Eight of Swords. In recent past, you feeling stuck, especially you are stuck on your person, and you don't want that energy, like stuck energy. You are fed up. We are fed up with that energy. There are some cycles are going to be, for some cycles are already ended between you and your person. If not, they are going to be ended. There are some issues between you and your person, maybe trust issues, maybe they are hiding something from you. So there are some arguments or trust issues between you and your person. Then present Page of Cups, Ten of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. I think someone is coming to apologize you. Some communication, some text is coming, and you want stability. You want marriage with your person. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Six of Pentacles. They treating you as an option. Maybe they will come when they want and they will go when they want. That type of situation. They're in and out of your life. Now you're more concentrating on your career, on your abundance, Sagittarius. Future, Eight of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Ten of Pentacles. Maybe for some you decided to move on from this person, but some communication is coming to fix the things between you and your person. But your total focus, Eight of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. You want financial stability and you want financial abundance. So you are searching for options for creating more money. Yes, your total focus is on new opportunities to create more money. Definitely you will get financial stability in near future. Your money is very, very good, Sagittarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So let's see. Under the deck, the Magician, Page of Wands, and Knight of Wands. This person still attracted to you if you are in separation. So they wanna send some text or message to you. For some, you both have age differences. Yes, they wanna manifest you back. They want you back. For some, maybe your person is a manipulator also. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Sagittarius. Page of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, Three of Pentacles. So, yes, your person want rebirth in this connection. They still keep an eye on you. They keep tabs on you. Uh, and Three of Pentacles, they want reconciliation. I think in past there is no partnership between you and your person, but now they want rebirth. Now they really want to work on this relationship. They keep put tabs on you. And under the deck again, the Magician. Definitely, for some, your person is very talkative and very, I think, player type energy I'm getting here, but they want rebirth in this connection. So let's see their intention, Sagittarius. World, Eight of Swords, Two of Wands. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot. They are also feeling stuck and you're also feeling stuck. And the World card. I think you're both thinking about each other a lot. There are some new cycles are going to be begin between you and your person, but for some it will take some time because they are willing to come towards you. They really want to work on this relationship, but right now they're feeling stuck. Maybe family could be the issue here, maybe friends could be the issue here, but definitely they want reconciliation. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yes, under the deck, the Star. Yes, they still have hopes on this connection. And the Sun card is here and Judgment. Yes, they're in the process of making decision and they're realizing you both, Sagittarius. They are realizing that you are their happiness. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A lot of air energy. Seven of Swords. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. And Ace of Cups. They do love you. There is love, but there are at the same time there are some trust issues. Maybe in past they played games with you. Maybe they scared for rejection also. So they have some trust issues. Yes, the Moon. Definitely someone is hiding something from other person. Three of Wands. Waiting game is going between you and your person. They want you back. At the same time they're feeling stuck and there are some issues. Yes, but they want positive growth and they want reconciliation. Maybe they are waiting for divine timing here. Sagittarius, they want you back, but things are not under your person control. They're stuck. You are taking your control back. You are confused, Sagittarius. Maybe you are also want to move on from this person, but you can't. For some, they always giving you false hope. Maybe you have no trust on this person. And the Sun and Judgment. I think you both are on the same page because the Sun and the Judgment. But there is some happiness is coming into your life and you are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship. So let's see mutual. Five of Cups. Right now you both are in separation, missing each other a lot, and you both want stability in this connection, but I think you both want the same thing, but situation is not in your hands. And juggling a Knight of Pentacles with the Fool. Wow. For some there will be new beginnings in near future, but it will take some time. Right now there is juggling, especially in you or in your person, but you're both wanting the same thing. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Sagittarius. I realized my mistake. Communication is coming. I need some space now. Player. And I can't give you what you need. I have too much going on in my life. I realized my mistake. Communication is coming. Player. I can't give you what you need. I need some space. I have too much going on in my life. Definitely your person going through a lot right now. Maybe they're feeling stuck. Maybe family could be the issue here. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Two cards. hold your vision, fixed moon. So if you're not seeing any moment right now, but this is the message, hold your vision. Definitely your vision will come true. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius energy. So if you have any feelings or emotions, just show the real emotions to your loved ones and everyone, to everyone. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.